From ancient Himalayan pink salt mountains to a massive factory. Watch massive Himalayan pink salt boulders become beautiful premium salt crystals. This is the complete journey of the world-famous Himalayan pink salt. The journey of premium Himalayan pink salt begins deep inside ancient Himalayan mountains. Giant Himalayan pink salt boulders are carefully mined from the earth. Massive boulders of Himalayan pink salt are transported to the factory. Raw Himalayan pink salt boulders reach the processing factory. Huge Himalayan pink salt boulders are prepared for crushing. Massive boulders enter the first stage of turning into premium salt crystals. These massive boulders will become millions of premium Himalayan pink salt crystals.
Initiating moisture analysis on the pink salt sample. Moisture content is microscopic examination confirms uniform crystal size.
Coming in now! Pallet secured, moving out. Time to stock up on these pink salts. These are going fast today. There, all set. A pinch of this pink salt really brings out the flavor.
It adds such a nice texture too. Pink Himalayan salt is rich in minerals for better hydration and balance. It enhances flavor as a natural alternative to table salt. A simple way to boost your wellness.
In the Himalayas, sustainable mining extracts pink salt with minimal impact. Eco-friendly processing refine this ensure quality, embodying our commitment to the environment. A pure, sustainable choice. Himalayan pink salt, growing global demand and production expansion. Driven by consumer trends, production is scaling up worldwide. From mine to market, the industry meets the rising need.